Hey everybody, Brian here from quantlabs.net, showing you the next demo of Strategy 2 for basically option strategies for buying commodities. So our second strategy scenario is buying call options to protect against higher prices and maybe if there's an opportunity if the price declines. So what happens, from my understanding, is the current market price, $640, the exchange will give you a list of different option strike prices as well as the premium for both the put and the calls. You get this range, but in this particular action we'll get this calculation which needs to be done so that on a call, because we're buying calls here, we're going to pay $640 for an option, 21 cents on the premium, plus we'll assume, as in the previous example with the future pricing, that the basis is 10 cents. So the ceiling price, which is this calculation here, strike price plus the premium plus or minus the basis. So in this case we have the ceiling price at $651. The second one, which is this one right here, what we're doing is we're just taking the call at $650 plus the premium of 15 minus the basis is $655, which is still higher than our market price. In this case, what we're trying to do is trying to figure out which option would we go with. Now, because we want to pay the lower premium, we obviously go with this one. So I've kind of coded that up in my example here. So what I've done, got the usual routines of input and output, doubles and integers. I don't really use it. But in this case, what we're doing is I've got a structure, very simple one, with strike price, premium price for the call, and premium price for the put. And we're just basically going to put three options in there. Each one will be as in that table I just showed you, right here. But in this case, for the second, this one and this one are using the previous examples I showed you right here. So then it's 640, 650. So I'm using those the second and third elements. So we got 640, 21 premium, put premium 12. It's the same for the third option. And what we're doing is, as I said, we're just calculating our ceiling price in the first option, ceiling price in the second option again, strike price of that particular option, plus the premium for the call, minus the basis, and same with the third. So what we do here is we have a couple of assumptions. We've set the market price, current market price we set at $640. We also can calculate or assume that the basis is 10 cents. We can calculate that in the previous futures examples I've shown. And essentially what we're wanting to do is to find whatever option is above the current market price, in this case the second and third one. And what we also want to do is to find the one with the lower premium. So in this case, it'll just display use option 2. That's it. So that's all this really means is it'll go and find the lower premium. That's it for now. I got some other scenarios we need to cover though. Continuing along, we're looking at this new scenario here. Very simple stuff. We're going to assume that the option with the 650 strike price, this right here with the premium of 15 cents, basis is still 10 cents. Remember, our futures price is at 750, offering cash price at 740, which is really 10-cent basis. From there, if the futures price is at 750, call option, strike price is at 650, we know our intrinsic value is going to be $1. From there, if the we have a 15-cent premium right here, minus 80. The intrinsic value is $1. We have a strike price of 15. That gives us a net gain of 85 cents a bushel. So what we can do now is we can take cash price of 740 minus the 85 cents, and that price becomes our effective buying price. Let me show you that in the code. Right here. So, showing the previous video, what we're doing right here is just exactly what I just said. We have a new future price of 750. Our intrinsic value is the future price minus the option that we want, which is this one at 650. And then we can also calculate our net gain of intrinsic value minus the call premium. The market price, assume it's 740, we can therefore measure or calculate our new effective price of 740 minus the net price. So if you run it, this is what you get. As you can see, intrinsic value 85 cents, buy price is 655. Hope that helps you out. Hey everybody, I just want to go over the second scenario in our buying call options against higher prices and opportunity if prices decline. Well, the prices decline. This is an important paragraph I should read. If the futures price decreases below 650 the price, your option will have no intrinsic value, but you may have some remaining time value. To receive remaining time value and lower the purchase price, you should attempt to offset the option. Your wheat flour price will directly be related to the cash price for wheat plus the premium you initially paid for, blah blah blah. If the option has no time value, you can allow the option to expire worthless. Okay, so here's the scenario. We have a new future price of $6. Let me just go back to that document. So future price decreases to $6. The supplier's offering a local price of $5.90. So the future price less than the basis is 10 cents. You allow the option to expire since it has no intrinsic value. The net price you pay for wheat equals, I'm going to show you the calculation is in my program, $5.90 cash price plus the option premium paid of 15 cents. When the market price goes up and down, the following formula you can use to calculate net purchase price. Here it is. So if we know our futures price is going to go down to $66, a cash price locally is at $5.90, premium paid is at 15 cents. The net purchase price then becomes cash price plus the premium paid out, and essentially that's our new net purchase price. So if I run it, that will be our second example here, right here, net purchase price of 605, which is correct. Okay, so there you go. That's the second scenario. We've got it all.